Hi, need to use two accounts for the same app on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to create dual apps using your phone's built-in feature. It's fast, secure, and perfect for separating personal and work accounts with ease. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it to continue. Depending on your phone model and software version, this option may be located in a slightly different section, but it's commonly available on Samsung Galaxy devices. Next, scroll to the bottom of the menu and tap Dual Messenger. This feature allows you to install a second copy of supported messaging and social media apps. You'll see a list of compatible applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Snapchat, or other supported apps. Find the app you want to duplicate and turn on the switch next to its name. A disclaimer will appear explaining how the feature works. Read the information, then tap Confirm followed by Install. Your phone will automatically create a second version of the selected app. Once the installation is complete, head to your app drawer or home screen. You'll notice a new icon for the duplicated app. It will be marked with a small blue emblem or chain link symbol, making it easy to distinguish from the original version. Open the cloned app and sign in with your second account. Both versions of the app work independently, allowing you to receive separate notifications and manage different accounts without constantly logging in and out. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and explore more Android tips on the channel.